Hi, it's Felicia Slattery from CommunicationTransformation.com, and I'm here to tell you today about my experience with Kevin Nations and his big ticket blueprint. I have to tell you, it's probably going to sound a little dramatic, maybe a little hypey, but Kevin Nations' big ticket blueprint honestly changed my life. Now I know, like I said, it sounds a little dramatic, so let me just tell you about my experience. At the time of this recording, I took Kevin's class, I guess it was about a year and a half ago, and it was the very first big ticket product that I ever purchased. And I have to say, for me at the time, it was a big bite. I was really nervous about, is this going to work for me, and is this going to be something that's right for me? And I have to tell you, I am so grateful that I said yes to Kevin Nations and his big ticket blueprint, because honestly, in the 18 months that have followed, my business has completely transformed in ways that are unbelievably amazing. So let me just tell you a little bit about what's happened. Now, some of you may recognize me. I've been in the internet marketing world for a little bit over a year. Well, I had met Kevin before I went into that world. So really, I was just kind of running my own business out of my home. I wasn't a well-known speaker at the time. I wasn't well-known in any particular niche. And I was coaching clients, and I was trying to find clients and trying to make my business work with my life. Now, I'm a mom. I have two little girls, and I started my business when they were 1 and 3. Now they are 7 and 4, so how quickly time flies. And when I took Kevin's class, he taught me the skills that I needed to get and fill my client roster, and it has been filled and packed since. I have not had openings for new clients for my coaching business since I've taken Kevin Nations' big ticket blueprint. Now I have to confess, and Kevin knows this, I didn't actually listen to and go through the entire program. I did a lot of the work in the beginning, most definitely, but I never even created my own big ticket product. I used Kevin's blueprint very specifically to apply the techniques to working with my clients and the people who called me and said, I want to be a client of yours. Let's talk about it. And so I took Kevin's sales process and I applied that very directly to getting me private clients. And so it wasn't anything brand new that I created, but it was a way that I was able to transform explaining what I do for my clients and how I best serve them, and so that they could come to the decision that working with me was definitely going to be in their best interests. And I am so pleased and grateful to say that every person that I have spoken to since that time has said yes to my offer but one. So I would say, what is that, about a 95% closing ratio? I know that's amazing to say and sounds possibly unheard of. But as I said, I don't have very many openings in my coaching practice. I only work with 5 clients at a time. I don't put out there into the world that, hey, I have openings, call me now. It just works out in my world, in my business, that when a client graduates and finishes with their 3, 6, 9, or 12-month program that they go through, that as they're finishing, I typically will get an email or two from a couple of people who are looking for me to work with them as their coach, and they want to know, they want to ask me questions. So I get on the phone with them and I work through Kevin's big ticket blueprint process, his profit process that you learn very early on in the program, and I simply take them through that process and I show them that by working with me, I will allow them to live their best lives and help them in their businesses exactly the way that they want to be helped. Only one person has ever said no, and that has been many in a year and a half, because I continually refill my practice. Again, I am full to the brim with clients. I don't know how many people can say that, and I can, and it's all thanks to Kevin Nations and his big ticket blueprint. Also, one of the cool things was he taught me a way that I could have a lot fewer returns of people who, and if you're a coach, you know what I'm talking about. You're on the phone with someone and they're excited about it and they say yes, and then you say, okay, I'll send you everything and I'll send you the invoice and we'll get going. And sometime between the moment that they say yes and they get excited and the moment that you send the invoice and get the papers going, they have a change of heart and they change their mind. That plagued me in my business before I met Kevin. Since then, I have had no one cancel. No one. from the moment that they said yes to the moment that we started coaching. And it's because I've taken them through this big ticket blueprint. So Kevin, I just have to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I am so grateful for you and your brilliance in creating the big ticket blueprint. And I know someday I'll actually listen to all of the classes and maybe even get greater benefit. And I know that I will be developing my own big ticket item coming up soon. But just using the principles you gave me in my existing business the way I already had it has massively changed my life. And here's how. I'm able to be home with my daughters as much as I want to. I'm the room mom this year for my daughter's preschool class. I get to run all of the holiday parties and be in the classroom and read to her as much as I want to, and it's just so much fun. I love it. It allows me to travel to stages around the country and around the North America, in fact, and speak to audiences because my business is constantly filled and people want to know, how are you doing that? And I teach folks about the power of effective communication. So my life has definitely been impacted. The peace of mind that I get knowing that my client base will always be filled. I will always have as many clients as I want. And that's because I know that applying this big ticket blueprint every time is what's going to get me the results. It's a simple process, and when you learn it, you can get the results too. If you're thinking about joining Kevin Nations and his big ticket blueprint, definitely say yes. You will be so happy you did. This is Felicia Slattery with CommunicationTransformation.com. Thanks, Kevin.